Hello YouTube! Welcome to my channel. In this video I will present you my new English book, Whittling in the Wild. Whittling in the Wild is the English version of my latest German book, Schnitz It Yourself. This was published about 1 year ago. I'm really grateful that we found Fox Chapel for this translation project. Fox Chapel is a book publisher from Pennsylvania and he is specialized on woodworking books. So I think this title fits perfect in his backlist. After crafting with the pocket knife and the Swiss Army knife book, Whittling in the Wild is already the third title who is available in English. In crafting with the pocket knife, I explained you the most important techniques with the different tools from a Swiss Army knife. And I showed you also some easy projects for beginners. In the Swiss Army knife book, I crafted an entire bushcraft camp in the forest with a lot of pleasant details, of course with the Swiss Army knife as only tool. The link to this advertising video you find here or here. And in my new book, Whittling in the Wild, I just collected my favorite crafting and carving projects. My aim was that I present you projects who are not already published 1,000 times in other books. So these are instruments, toys, weapons or everyday objects. This is just a random selection of the projects out of the book. For example, a reed boat or a crossbow or a parachute or a saxophone. In the description box below you find a list with all projects out of the book. And to every project you find a link with a short video from the project in use. So you know how far such a shingle arrow has to fly or how the saxophone has to sound. It took a huge amount of time to invent all these projects. All in all, I would say over a year. On this picture you can see about a third of all the tries I need that the project was ready for the book. The most of these projects are not really for beginners, but some of them I tried out with my eldest son. He is 7 years old. And this was a great binding experience for me and my son. We had a common goal. We was together in action. And we were successful or we tried it again. Even if I made 95% of the project, at the end of the day, it was his project and he was really proud of it. So I enjoyed this time together with my son very much. Now I'll show you a short compilation of all the projects out of the book, and after I explain you how you can win a signed copy. win a signed copy of this book, you have to be a subscriber of my channel and you have to write a comment under this video. In 2 weeks I draw 3 random winners and they receive a winning message on her comments. After you have 2 weeks time to send me your address, otherwise I draw a new winner. The exact rules for this giveaway you can find in the description box below. The link for buying this book you find also in the description box below. So, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you next Friday. Ciao!